To install the service worker, we have to go to the serviceworker.js, stub.js, and then we type self, which means the service worker dot add event listeners, and then we type install, and then this will have an event, and then we console.log. The service worker is installed. Now, if you look at the website, you can see inside the console there is service worker registered and service worker is installed. However, if we refresh, we just see service worker registers because, as we have said before, if there is no new service worker, since it already installed, it will not install again, so we cannot see the service worker is installed. However, if we go to the service worker and then make some changes and then go to the website again, you can see the service worker is installed. However, we go to the applications and go to the service worker, you can see the new service worker is still waiting to activate. As we can see inside this animation that we already showed before, the new service worker will not take over until the existing service worker is removed by closing the browser or closing all the tabs. To make the new service worker take over, we can also click on the skip waiting, so the new service worker will take over the old service worker. And at last, what is the use of adding the installation process here? So this is to tell the Progressive Web App that this is the time to add all the assets that we usually use, like the CSS, some JavaScript, or the icons that we must use when open the app will be added at this time.